Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is for basically single inheritance program. In the last video, I have given the single inheritance program, but it was not properly visible. So I have taken the new video for explaining the single inheritance. So I'll be taking one program that I'll be taking two classes, one student class. Student having will appear for the exam. Student having roll number, okay. Then name of the student, and student will appear for the course and marks. So these are the two variables in derived class, okay, and two variables in the base class student, okay. So this is what this is called as base class, uh, base class, and this is called as derived class. So exam class will be called as derived class. Okay, so exam will be derived from this base class. Okay, and this first class, this base class having two variables, roll number as well as name, and the exam class will have two variables, course as well as the marks. So now this exam class will access both the variable from this student class, roll number as well as name, and it will display all the four variables, all the data in the main function. So let's start with this program. As I said, I'll be starting with this main function header file as include iostream dot h, then has include conio dot h. As I said that I'm taking two classes. Class 1 as a student, that the student class will have the data, and I'll be declaring in the public section. So I'll be declaring that int roll number and the name of the student. So I'll be declaring this name as well as roll number, okay, and we'll declare here in the public section. Okay, now I'll be creating member function, void get data. So it will take, and I'll be defining this member function here. Either I can create it, I will declare it. This is the end of this body of the class, put the semicolon. Now I can define it. So void student double colon and get data. Okay, now we'll define this member function, right. There are two variables, roll number as well as the name. So we'll write here cout enter roll number we can also put the new line character in, then roll number, then cout will provide the name of the student, so enter student name. We'll also write this uline character C in name of the student. This is the definition of this member function. Now we'll take the input from this first class, that is a student class, and I will display both the values in the next derived class. So now, as I have told that the next class is exam class, I will be creating this exam class. This is colon, this is the syntax for creating the derived class. So here this class, then the name of the derived class exam, and it will be derived from this public, and the base class is here student. Now there are two variables in the derived class: course name. Okay, so this course and then the marks. Now in the public section, it will be taking we'll take two member functions: get data, or you can write here get marks. So one member function I can define here only. So cout enter course name in course, another is cout enter marks in marks. So this is the end of this first member function. We'll close it, putting the close bracket. Now we will take another member function to display both the values. So display will take another member function. I will define it cout course is, you can write here course, new line, and cout and the value is marks is. Now so the value is marks here. Okay, this is the end of this member function. Now this is the end of this member function. This is the another member function. Now close this body of this class, put a semicolon, go to main function. Okay, now as I said, the object will be created for the derived class. It will not be created for the base class. So within the main function, we create the object for the derived class E, and now we'll call all the member functions. It is get data, then E dot get marks, then e dot display. And get switch. Now when I run this program, enter the roll number, for example 121, the name of the student, okay, course name BCA, enter the marks 45. Can you see this course is BCA and marks is 45. It is displayed here, but the name of the student, it is taking the roll number as well as the name of the student, right? It is not displayed over there. So what we'll do, we'll take a member function here, for displaying one more member function I can create here. Void display data, and I will display the value of this. So we'll now after this write here void. This is the under student class, so you can write here DISPL display data. Now this is the open body, close body. Under this I want to display the values, right? So name of the student you can write here this one. You can copy it and paste it here. Okay, so here this roll number is, and you can write here name is, because you want to display all the values, right? Now we need to call this. So this is the display data, right? So when I call it now, I will call it, so e dot display data. Now I can write it. Okay, this is roll number, yeah, roll number, and this is name. Now I can run it. Okay, so 121, then name of the student, okay, course name BCA, and the marks is 56. Now you can see here the roll number, name, and the course as well as marks. All the values are displayed. So this is the example for the single inheritance.